Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kamisumala Quotes, an online place where we can motivate or inspire each other. I'm your host, Jeman, and today I want to talk about something simple but very important: kindness. More specifically, being kind because everyone is struggling with something, whether you can see it or not. You've probably heard the quote, "Be kind, everyone has struggles." It sounds common, right? But think about it. How often do we pass people in the street, interact at work, or scroll past someone online without realizing they could be on the edge of breaking down? Struggles don't always show up as tears or outbursts. Sometimes they look like silence, smiles, or someone simply going through the motions. A possible scenario we might encounter: you're working with someone who always seemed upbeat and cheerful, the kind of person who made everyone laugh. But one day, he or she didn't show up to work. Then few days later, you found out he or she had been silently battling depression for years. That might hit you hard. It's a reminder that pain doesn't always wear a visible face. So why does kindness matter? Because it's free. It costs nothing to offer a smile, hold the door, or check someone. Kindness can interrupt someone's sadness or loneliness. It can give them just enough hope to get through another day. And here's the thing: being kind doesn't mean you agree with everyone or that you never get frustrated. It just means you choose compassion over judgment, curiosity over assumption. If you're wondering, how can I be more kind in everyday life? Here are some simple ideas. Take a deep breath before reacting. Ask someone how they're really doing and listen. Be patient with others and yourself. Offer a hand to someone in need. And many more, because we can never know what's going on behind someone's smile. As final thoughts, none of us are exempted in terms of problems or struggles in life. We all have bad days, but if we can lean into empathy or sympathy just a little more, the world starts to change. One kind word, one thoughtful moment, one act of help at a time can make a change. So today, be a reason for someone to be happy and uplifted. Because even if we can't solve someone's problems, we can make their load a little lighter. Thanks so much for listening to today's episode. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who might need a reminder. And as always, stay kind and take care of one another. Until next time, God willing, and may the Almighty God bless us all.